Hey guys, let me show you. I use dishwasher tablet to clean my bathroom. So here you put a little bit on the bathtub and you scrub, it rinse, clean. Now I'm going to clean the kitchen sink. It's the same thing. You put a little bit on the sponge, wet it, scrub, rinse, and here's clean. Now let me show you how I clean my skillet. Add a little dish tablet on the skillet. You scrub, rinse, and there it is, it's cleaned. The same thing, I also cleaned my oven door. You add to a little bit on the sponge, you scrub, wipe, it's all clean.